60-gallon air compressor is very useful to power up pneumatic tools more economically than other options. They are suitable for workshop enthusiasts, hobbyists, small construction companies, and professionals. They are powerful enough to handle any kind of job task. Because of cast iron tank, they can hold compressed air for a long time. To help you decide which 60-gallon air compressor is the right one for you, we recommend considering below options. Maximum air pressure. It represents how much powerful the air compressor is and the applications it can be used for. You should buy air compressors that offer a maximum air pressure of 150 psi or higher. Motor power. Motor is responsible for compressing the air and storing it inside the air tank. As a result, a more powerful motor like a 5 HP one can quickly and easily compress the air into the tank when compared to a weaker 3 HP motor that takes a longer time. CFM rating. While the air pressure of an air pressure tells you about the pressure inside the air tank, the CFM rating tells you about the air output of an air compressor. It stands for cubic feet per minute. And any air compressor with a CFM rating of 10 CFM or higher is considered to be a powerful air compressor. So, let's get started. Number 5. PowerMate Air Compressor. Features of this product. PowerMate is yet another famous brand that is known for making air compressors. And the air compressor by PowerMate present in this article is quite similar to the industrial air option mentioned earlier. Just like the industrial air compressor, you get a maximum air pressure limit of 155 psi in this air compressor. You get this along with a 3.7 HP motor that is considered to be decently powerful. As a result, the 60-gallon air tank of this air compressor gets filled with a high-pressure air of 155 psi in a short period of time. The next is Number 4. Campbell Housfeld Vertical 2-Stage Air Compressor. Features of this product. Campbell Housfeld has been providing a complete line of air compressors, welders, inflators, nailers, air tools and accessories for several decades. Their 2-stage air compressor is specially designed for handling a wide range of jobs that include painting furniture, heavy-duty nailing, rotating wheels, grinding welds and others. It is equipped with 230 volts and 3.7 horsepower heavy-duty motor that ensures maximum pressure 175 psi and 6.9 SCFM, which is helpful for completing most of the tasks within less amount of time. The next is Number 3. California Air Tools Air Compressor. Features of this product. California Air Tools specializes in developing air tools that have useful features and provide outstanding performance. The brand is regarded highly for its reliable customer service. California Air Tools Air Compressor is powered by two 2 HP motors that deliver a powerful performance. With this power, you get 10.60 CFM at 90 psi and 12.60 CFM at 40 psi. The air compressor comes with a cord that you have to connect to a power outlet. Despite the air compressor using two powerful motors, the tool offers an ultra-quiet operation. It only generates a sound of 75 decibels. You do not have to pour oil on the pump. Hence, there is no maintenance cost involved. The next is Number 2. Industrial Air Compressor. Features of this product. As per the name, industrial air is quite a popular name that makes a lot of air compressors. And we are here with one of the most popular options offered by industrial air. The Industrial Air ILA 360656 air compressor is in the second position in this article as it offers decent performance without being highly expensive. This air compressor can provide a maximum air pressure limit of 155 psi. You get this along with a 3.7 HP motor that offers a decent speed for filling its 60-gallon air tank. The next is Number 1. Quincy Air Compressor. Features of this product. Quincy is known for making various high-end air compressor options. And we are here with one of the best performing and premium air compressor options offered by Quincy in this article. This Quincy QT54 air compressor is in the first position in this article, as it is one of the best performing options out there. You get a maximum air pressure limit of 175 psi in this air compressor, which is the highest. It even comes with a powerful 5 HP motor that fills the 60-gallon air tank quickly with high-pressure air. And it can offer all of this along with a high CFM rating of 15.7 CFM at 90 psi and 15.2 CFM at 100. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.